we still have a problem with COVID. We're still doing a lot of work on it. But the pandemic is over.
Biden has now declared that the pandemic is over. And something else remarkable happened last week. The New York Times finally admitted that lockdowns didn't work. Not only did lockdowns not work to stop the virus, but they have left a huge human toll. Countless lives were lost because of missed medical treatments, misdiagnoses, suicide, depression, and many other things. Countless lives were ruined by destroying the economy. The learning deficits for children will be felt for decades to come. But how did we get here? How was it possible that billions of people would sleepwalk into catastrophic lockdowns like lemmings following each other off the edge of a cliff?